Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this 21 volt cordless leaf blower, compact and powerful. So let me show you how this works. So the good thing is that these nozzles, they come apart like so. So it's easy storage when you're not using it. When you're ready to put it together, you snap it in place. Like that. And you can see here's the on and off button. This is where the battery goes. This kit comes with two 21 volt batteries and the charging base. This is how the 21 volt battery looks. It has the little convenient button here to show you your battery level. Okay. The battery life on these batteries lasts a good 15 to 20 minutes per use. Let me show you how to install this. You just slide this from the back and then you're ready to go. Let me show you how it works now. This is how strong this blower is. It blows away all the dirt real quick and easy. You can see how easily this thing blows the dirt. Overall, this is a great cordless leaf blower. I like how strong it is and how long the battery lasts per charge. I like the compactness of this and how easily it is to take it apart when you finish. So you can easily store somewhere when you're not using it. It's very durable and has a good weight to it and is easy to use.